Hey everyone, welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new. Wow, has it been a minute since I have posted any videos about home updates or clean with me. We've finally made it through the summer. We're in full swing school, so I have a little bit more time to get a few things done. And I'm in my daughter's room. I updated her room last year, I think. I'll link that video above and at the end of this video. But today I'm actually going to do a little bit of rearranging because she started high school now and she's using her room a little bit differently. And what I mean by that is she has a desk that we had for her to use for arts and crafts and keep her art supplies, and she's wanting to use it more for homework and getting ready in the morning. So I'm gonna just rearrange a little bit and clean up in here. And I've been saying that we should do this for a while. She and I have talked about it. She's completely fine with it, but I'm gonna take you along. So let's jump right in. As we all know, as a preteen and teen, it's just hard to keep our rooms clean, right? It's harder than it is to keep the rest of the entire house clean. But my daughter, as with most teenage girls, she has a hard time putting things away. I actually had a really good system in place, and still do, when I redid her room the first time, which like I said, you can watch that video from before. And I think that when things are fresh and new, it's just more motivating to keep it tidied up and clean. So all I'm going to do today is just kind of revamp and rearrange and get rid of some things that maybe aren't useful anymore and give her a space that she finds easier to keep tidy, at least for a while. Since I moved the cube shelf, I am just plugging everything in. There were a few things that she had on this shelf that had come unplugged for whatever reason, and so I wanted to make sure everything was functioning. And then I am using the Healthy Home spray from Jordan Essentials to wipe everything down. This is a biodegradable, super healthy cleaner that is boosted with the essential oils of tea tree and lavender. So not only does it clean effectively, but it also smells amazing. It felt really good to get the vacuuming done, and then I went ahead and got her laundry finished, which typically I will do the girls' laundry when they're in school, but then it's their responsibility to put it away. But on this day, I went ahead and put it away for her too because I wanted her to come home to a freshly clean room. So here is a little bit of the before footage again, just so that you can see it. And here is the after. So we just switched the bed around, changed the floor layout a little bit so she has a little bit more room on the floor and in her room around her desk area and stuff like that. So it will be really easy and functional for her. Again, here's a little bit of the before when we were using the desk for arts and crafts, and we just wanted to update that so that she can get ready and do her homework here. All in all, this room turned out great, and hopefully it stays this way for a little while. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thanks for tuning in and watching. If you liked this video, leave me a thumbs up on your way out. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss another one of my videos. I will see you next time. Bye.